Hello, good morning, students. Today's topic of the signal and system. The topic is magnitude and phase response of the systems. So, first is the magnitude of phase and response. The transfer behavior of linear system between the input and output can be described by a complex transfer functions. Complex transfer function is h of a omegas in the frequency domains. The minimal phase response can be calculated from the amplitude response by using the Hilbert's transform. And magnitude and phase response is the comparison of the Colpid's R and D systems and Colpid QC systems. There are so many difference and characteristics. The first one is characteristics complex transfer functions. Complex transfer function in Capel's R and D systems, TRF, LMP, DIS, MNT1, and Helper's QC systems, SPL, SPL, IMP, IMP, MSC systems, mobile communication systems, and total phase without constant time delay. TRF systems are LMP and DIS, and in Calip's QC system, SPL, SPL, IMP, IMP. And next one is the minimal phase excess phase response TRF in the R and D systems, and QC system is not valid. And next is the polarities of the R and D systems, TRF in QC systems, SPL, SPL, IMP. And next is the last one, Nyquist plot in R and D systems, TRF, and is not valid in the QC systems. And next one is the transfer function systems. The transfer behavior of the linear system between the input and output describe the complex transfer functions. The transfer function is independent of the spectral properties of the stimulus as long the system behave the linear and as long as the input and output signals are mere at the sufficient signal to noise ratios SNR. The real and imaginary part of the transfer functions h of j omega can be displayed as the Nyquist plot. And next is alternatively as the complex function system. Complex function system can be represented as magnitude and phase response. Simultaneously, equations of the input and output signal is recommended by measuring the phase response. A linear system can be described by the combination of the three subsystems, minimal phase subsystems and all pass and subsystems having constant time delay. The minimal phase response can be calculated from the amplitude response by using the Hilbert transformations. These are the topics of the magnitude and phase response of the signal systems. Thank you, students. Thank you. Thank you.